In a short time, we will see how we can improve the visual with layer styles and also make a simple logo animation. If you have done what is necessary, let's move on to the video. First, import the PNG logo and drag it to the timeline panel. Then, reduce its scale. Then, select the layer, go to Layer Styles from the Layer panel and add Gradient Overlay and drop Shadow to our layer. Go to Layer Styles and open Drop Shadow. Set its opacity to 65 and blend mode to normal. Then, open Gradient Overlay. Select Edit Gradient and adjust its colors as follows. Adjust the angle value as appropriate for the logo. Now, open the scale value of the logo and activate its keyframe. Go forward 15 frames, and set the scale value to 85. Go forward 15 frames again and set its value to 65. Select all keyframes and give them easy ease. Open the graph editor, and set its value like this. Then, add the light burst effect to the logo. Set the ray length value to 0. We go forward 15 frames, and set its value to 100. We go forward 15 frames again and set its value to 0. Now, select the layer and press the letter U, and select the ray length keyframes and give it easy. We open the graph editor, and set its value like this. If you liked the video, I'm waiting for you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be informed about new videos. See you in new videos.